through that Mesa Road, yeah. You've done it already? Oh. I should tell you a story about going to Hana. It can be magical. It can be. But you gotta remember a few things. See, the other day I talked to some people, I said, hey, how'd you like your trip to Hana? They said it was terrible. I said, what do you mean it was terrible? And they said, well, had to get up early in the morning, narrow little road, million one-way bridges, million turns, took all day, it was terrible. I said, well, why'd you go? I said, well, the brochure says go to Hana. I said, there's nothing at Hana. And he says, well, now you tell me. Hey, didn't do it right. See, most people on the mainland go somewhere to actually get there. The trip itself is incidental. The faster you make that trip, the better off you are. Right? Yeah. Hey, Scotty, beam me over. Oh, real funny, Scotty. Now beam over my clothes. It's cold out here. Here in the islands, it's a little bit different. Here in the islands, the place is so small. You want to see somebody you know, you hang around outside your door for a little while. Everybody you know be by in 10, 15 minutes. If you want them by sooner, you just take a cold 6-pack of beer. They'll all be there real quick. So to us, the trip doesn't mean anything. It's the, the trip. Getting there doesn't mean anything. It's the trip that means all. We'll take a 10-minute trip, turn into 6 hours, have more fun than you can imagine. We'll see everybody we wanted to see, conduct all the business we intended to conduct, and never get to where we started out for in the first place. It's called a road trip. Now the way you do this, guys, you get yourself a big cooler. That's ice chest in mainland terms. You take that cooler and you put it in the car with full of more food and drink you think you're going to need. Then you take all those maps and brochures you got and you shove them in the glove compartment. You're not going to need them. There's only one road out here. You cannot get lost. And take off in your own good time. This is your vacation, not someone else's. Stop at every turn you find. Take pictures. Stop at every one-way bridge you find. Take pictures. Go more than a couple hundred yards at a time without getting totally out of the car. You're doing it wrong. Share some of that food you take with people along the way. Make new lifelong friends. Swim in the freshwater pools. Roll around in the black sand beaches. Don't worry if you forget your swimming suit. No one out here cares. There's a place called Hana. Magical part of this whole trip, guys. Turn around when you get tired of it. Come out here without an agenda, guys, and it'll be a magical trip. You come out here looking for something specific, whether it be Hana or Twin Falls or any of the rest, it could get a little tedious. And this big valley below us is called Kenai. A Kenai is a great, big, ugly fish. Never eat the Kenai. They taste terrible. However, we do grow taro down here in the valleys. One of the things we make out of taro is poi. Anybody tried to poi it? You did? There. I'm proud of you. Norma and Jason tried the pork. Good stuff, pork. All Hawaiian love pork. Grew up eating pork. Make it big and strong pork. Yep, 12 times the vitamin, nutrient, minerals is milk. Fed to children worldwide who are lactate intolerant because no one in the world is allergic to it. Has no bad cholesterol. Does have one drawback to it, I should point out, Norma. It tends to grow hair in your chest. Takes about a week or 10 days to show up. And some people think it tastes like wallpaper paste without the sugar. I like wallpaper paste with or without sugar. Good stuff. Well, now it's time to change the music. Let's liven it up in here. A little country music, Hawaiian style. We have a license, you can dance. We have a license. Hey, there's Makua out in front of us. Pointed it out earlier. And pineapple grows out here. Pineapple, though, is not native to the Hawaiian island. Pineapple comes from South America. It's been around about 130 years. Out in the middle of another little community called Heleakala. During World War II is the headquarters of the 4th Marine Division. Heleakala, by the way, is a small, very beautiful, sweet-smelling flower. On the ocean over here in the right front out there, a little place called Paia. Paia means noisy. I don't know why they call it noisy. It's kind of quiet there. Driving down the road, I feel spirit coming to me from yesterday. I'd recommend to visit Paia, though. You'll have a great time. Plain Beach, Paia, go to the middle of town where the stoplight is. Very scenic 5 mile or so drive, drops you off up there in the middle of Makua. You have a great time up there with the cowboy flavor. But do visit out here, and you don't even need maps and brochures. Island on one side, ocean on the other, you're back where you started from in less than a day. If you're up country, you just keep going downhill till you hit that road that goes all the way around the island. Starting down. My home far away. Be driving down the road. I feel spirits coming to me. That's Allie's house. I hope Allie's cows on the weekends. The cows don't mind, I always miss. There's Nina's place right down there. Who don't have to wave? Nina's not home. Crystal clear blue water. Yeah. All my friends. Leona's home, though. We can wave at Leona. You want to wave at Leona? Eating fish straight from the sea. Remember, guys, the beaches are all public here in the islands. No one can keep you off any one of them. Always have your beach gear with you.